Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super fun and entertaining for all you dog lovers out there. We're diving into the world of dogs reacting to weird noises. Now, if you're a dog owner, you know just how quirky and curious our furry friends can be. Whether it's a squeaky toy, a high-pitched whistle, or some strange music, dogs have the funniest reactions. Let's start with the classic squeaky toy. You know the one. You give it a little squeeze, and suddenly, your dog's ears perk up like they're on high alert. It's like they're saying, "What is that magical sound?" And then the pouncing begins. They go from 0 to 100 in a split second, bouncing around like they're on a trampoline. It's pure joy and excitement. Next up, let's talk about whistles. Have you ever tried whistling a tune around your dog? It's hilarious. Some dogs tilt their heads from side to side like they're trying to decode a secret message. Others might start barking or howling, trying to join in on the fun. It's like an impromptu sing-along session. And then we have the really strange noises. Have you ever played some weird music or sound effects for your dog? Like those alien spaceship sounds or funny voice distortions? Their reactions are priceless. Some dogs will look at you with that confused puppy face, while others might start investigating the source of the sound, sniffing around like little detectives. It's the perfect mix of curiosity and confusion. But remember, it's important to keep things fun and stress-free for your pups. If they seem uncomfortable or scared, it's best to stop and give them some cuddles and reassurance. We want to keep those tails wagging and those happy faces smiling. All right, dog lovers, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching these adorable and hilarious reactions. Don't forget to try some of these sounds with your own dogs and let me know in the comments how they reacted. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our fun, furry adventures. Thanks for watching, and give your pups an extra belly rub from me. See you in the next video.